Climate change is significantly impacting agricultural productivity in Pakistan, leading to prolonged droughts in many parts of the country and exacerbating water scarcity issues. When water is provided through canals, farmers have little control over its timing, and 95% of them lack knowledge on the precise amount needed for irrigation, leading to under- and over-irrigation that significantly reduces crop productivity. Farmers with grid connections face significant challenges due to an exponential increase in electricity costs over the last 3 years, about 200% increase, making the energy needed for irrigation increasingly unaffordable. Off-grid farmers and those affected by poor grid connectivity and load shedding rely on fossil fuel generators for irrigation, further reducing their profits due to rising fossil fuel costs. We offer an innovative solution that simultaneously addresses these challenges, providing sustainable and cost-effective energy through a hybrid energy module, ensuring optimal irrigation with our smart irrigation controller, customizing irrigation technology such as drip or sprinkler systems based on customer requirements. We have designed a novel hybrid energy unit that integrates solar and wind energy, reducing battery size and ensuring maximum reliability. Our energy modules range from 1 to 10 kilowatts and offer varying proportions of wind and PV energy from 0 to 100%, tailored to the installation site. The irrigation controller tracks soil moisture in real time, using a soil moisture sensor, maintaining optimal moisture. Smart irrigation controller considers the specific water requirements of different crops, recognizing that each crop has unique needs. Farmers can select the crop of their choice from controller setting. The controller also accounts for the crop's development stage, as water requirements vary at different growth stages. Soil type is critical in irrigation, and our controller allows farmers to choose their soil type, with the controller adjusting irrigation accordingly. With significant efforts in developing new seed varieties, farmers can select the appropriate seeds type using controller settings to ensure tailored irrigation for their crops. Our controller features an experimentally validated database for optimal irrigation, based on crop development stage, seed type, and soil type, allowing farmers to customize these settings for precise irrigation management, and providing farmer to change these settings based on their selected crop, seed, and soil type. We also provide design and installation services for drip irrigation systems, ensuring efficient water delivery directly to the plant roots. Additionally, we offer sprinkler irrigation system design and installation, providing uniform water distribution over the entire crop area. Our design software provides a comprehensive smart irrigation system design powered by a hybrid energy module. This includes sizing and schematics, productivity metrics, economic indicators, environmental indicators. Our product has significant potential to enhance crop productivity by optimizing irrigation, minimize water wastage through precise water management, lower emissions by utilizing sustainable energy sources and efficient irrigation practices. Contact us for more details and to discuss how our smart irrigation system can help improve your crop productivity.